When setting target locations, we've added some popular locations in sets, such as states, countries or cities to save you time. If you prefer to add locations individually, please choose the manual selection option, and then search for your target location in the Other Locations field. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to select all UK regions and major cities from the Locations Quick Picks. You now have the option to exclude all countries, regions and states outside the target area. Move the switch to Yes to do this. Please note, due to Google's locations hierarchy, some locations may not get excluded. This can be checked in Google Ads Excluded Location settings after you have uploaded your campaign. Once you have completed your location settings, press Next and continue to the summary page. Here you will be able to finalize and upload your campaign.